Hi, I'm Brittany and welcome back to my 2020 holiday series. This series is full of home decor, lots of tips, tricks, and hopefully holiday inspiration for you. And I have a playlist linked below with all of the videos from this series so you don't miss a thing. But today we are in my office and I cannot wait to share this space with you because it is one of my most favorite rooms in my home. It is super girly and fun and vibrant, and I just love being in here. So I knew for the holidays I wanted to keep the color palette, just make it a little more festive. So today I would love to share this room and the entire decorating process here with you. So grab a cup of coffee or hot cocoa and come hang out with me in my office for a bit. Before we get started, I wanted to give you a quick little look at most of the decor that I'll be using in the room this year. Some of it I've had for several years, and some of it I picked up this year. If I can find links to anything I'm using today, I will be sure to put it in the description below in case you're interested.
To be here, and if there's one thing I know, you can't have Christmas alone. I got you under the winter sky, all bundled up on a carriage ride. I'll slip you a kiss just so you know my love won't let you go. Oh, I can just tell I'm under that Christmas spell. Just see a Merry.
Because I don't have a large Christmas tree in my office this year, I thought it would be fun to use a lot of small ones throughout my decor. So I have a lot of different bottle brush trees in different sizes, some sparkly ones, which are perfect for my office. I even decided to use some basic ball ornaments this year in a different way by stacking them all in this sparkly gold sleigh.
We could take a walk outside tonight, look at all the Christmas lights. We could just sit back on the couch, watching Frosty and Charlie Brown. Oh, I can just tell I'm under that Christmas spell. Oh, I can just see a Merry Christmas for you and me. You know, come January, life is back to ordinary. Oh, I can just see a Merry Christmas for you and me. If I told you that my heart is yours, my heart is yours, would you say the same or leave me in the winter cold? I can't stand, I know.
So here's a look at the finished space. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like how it turned out? I just want to say a quick thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Happy holidays!